I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics that matter now: storage, account, and save location. Sign in to the same PSN account you used to record, then open Settings and check Capture and Broadcast to ensure clips are set to save where you expect. Once done, inspect system storage and any connected USB drive so there's room. Make sure auto-upload or cloud sync isn't disabled. If it is, enable it. These steps prevent lost clips and let you proceed to recovery. Next, locate and recover clips saved locally. Go to Media Gallery and scan through recent captures. Press Options on any file to copy to USB storage device and choose a formatted drive. If clips don't appear, restart the Ps5 to reindex storage and then reopen Media Gallery. Sometimes the system needs a refresh to display files. Also check Recently Deleted. Deleted clips can persist briefly before permanent removal. Once you copy to USB, you'll have a backup to transfer or inspect on a PC. Finally, recover clips using cloud or remote options if local attempts fail. If you have PlayStation Plus, open Storage in Settings and look for saved media or cloud sync captures tied to your PSN account. Download any found items. Alternatively, connect via Remote Play or the PS app to stream the console and transfer clips to your phone or PC. If clips remain inaccessible, boot Safe Mode and choose Rebuild Database. This can restore visibility to lost files. Troubleshooting tip: always copy recovered clips immediately to external storage to avoid repeat loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.